So DSP rank officers we have around 16 DYSP rank officers.
And how many SP rank? How many SP rank? How many
SP rank?
inspector rank, sub-inspector rank? Any ideas?
See, I have an idea, no doubt. I'm doing it, but I will not give you all those details. See, because these are security aspects to which I cannot reveal all the details. It should suffice to say that we have adequate manpower.
It's going on almost in the final stages. So around maybe main function maybe 50-60,000 people may come, around more than 60,000 people. And we have another 2 official functions, that is dedication of various projects to the nation to the tune of 700 crores. And then also interaction with the beneficiaries of Ayushman Bharat scheme. So the PM will going to do these 2 official functions, then he will come to the main stage. Then it is a kind of public meeting.